You are a thief. Your generation is a thief. Because your mother, your father, your uncle, your auntie is a thief.
Nkechi!
What
is it now?
Amobi, what's going on here?
My prince, she just came out and said she is leaving. I was asking why are you going away from the palace? She said she's going. Then I just suspected that something must have gone wrong. It's possible she has stolen something. So for her to tell me now that she wants to leave with her bag, she has to explain. Until I get an order from there, I won't allow her to go. It's possible she has stolen something from the palace.
You are the one that is a thief.
Very big thief. Some of them are like that.
You are a big thief.
What is it?
We will see.
Nkechi,
That's how they behave.
why do you want to leave?
Why won't I leave? Ify, I decide when to leave and when not to leave. Am I a slave in this palace? Am I a slave? I want to go.
Amobi, let her go.
Get lock. If that was my prince, you pass this gate today. Oh, you carry your two legs to go. Yeah. Look at her leg. All the legs, two left legs together. Nonsense.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.